In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a checklist in Slack, step by step. This is a simple but incredibly powerful feature that you can use for task tracking, onboarding, meeting agendas, daily to-do lists, and team processes directly inside Slack. If you're working with a team or even managing your own tasks, checklists in Slack can help you stay organized without needing any extra tools. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open Slack and navigate to the workspace where you want to create your checklist. This can be inside a channel, a direct message, or a Canvas page. For this example, we're going to use Slack Canvas, which is perfect for creating structured content like notes and checklists. Once you're inside Slack, go to the Canvas area. You can open an existing canvas or create a new one depending on what you're working on. Canvas gives you a clean space where you can add text, formatting, and interactive elements like checklists. Now, look at the toolbar located at the bottom of the Canvas editor. In this toolbar, you'll see several icons for formatting your content. Find the checklist icon. It usually looks like a small checkbox or a list with checkmarks. Click on that checklist icon to activate checklist mode. As soon as you click it, Slack will insert a checkbox into the canvas. This is your first checklist item. Now you can start typing the text for your first task or item. For example, you might type something like review project requirements or prepare meeting notes. Once you've typed the text for the first checklist item, press the Enter key on your keyboard. When you press Enter, Slack automatically creates a new checkbox underneath the first one. This allows you to quickly add multiple checklist items without needing to click the icon again. Continue typing each task and pressing Enter to add the next item. You can add as many checklist items as you need. This is great for step-by-step processes, recurring workflows, or shared team tasks. As tasks are completed, you or your teammates can simply click the checkbox to mark the item as done. This makes it very easy to track progress at a glance. Another great thing about Slack checklists is that they update in real time. If you're working with a team, everyone can see when items are checked off, which helps keep everyone aligned and accountable. You can also edit checklist items at any time by clicking into the text and making changes. If you need to reorder items, you can cut and paste them into a different position in the list. Once your checklist is complete, it's automatically saved in Slack, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. You can come back to it anytime, share it with teammates, or reference it during meetings. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a checklist in Slack using Canvas. It's quick, simple, and extremely useful for staying organized inside your workspace. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Slack tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.